I'm going to make a really delicious chicken shawarma bowl today. Now, shawarma is kind of like a Middle Eastern, Turkish method of cooking meat. If you've ever seen al pastor, how they stack the meat on these big long skewers vertically and it rotates and all the juices drip down and they slice off wedges for a gyro or whatever. Shawarma is kind of like that, but we're not going to do that because who does that in your kitchen? I don't know, not me. But I'm going to give you some really good flavors on just very simply thinly sliced chicken. And it starts with just a little bit of yogurt. Yogurt actually is a really good marinade for chicken because it tenderizes it, gives it a really great flavor. I'm going to add in a little bit of grated garlic, minced very finely, a little bit of salt, thyme, and then cumin and smoked paprika. Smoked paprika is so amazingly delicious. It used to be kind of a trendy thing and you couldn't find it, but now it's everywhere. So if you find smoked paprika in your grocery store, buy it. You're gonna thank me. All right, and then I'm gonna need a little bit of lemon zest. I'm really flavoring this up. Now, if you didn't want to go to all this effort and you just wanted to buy a rotisserie chicken, you sure could do that. It'll save you a little bit of time. This is actually very quick. And then I'm going to, this is about a third of this lemon. This lemon was pretty big. I'm going to use the rest of it in a sauce that goes with this. So you mix this all up and you have this great marinade for your chicken. And then I'm going to let it sit for a little bit and I'll just put it in a skillet and I'll cook it, I'll sear it. And then it's basically an assembly job. It's very quick and easy. It's greens and whatever grain you want to use. I'm even going to use a microwave grain today just so I can have this all in about 20 minutes. And then you assemble it with cucumbers, tomatoes, garbanzo beans, and a beautiful yogurt tahini lemon dressing that goes over the top. All super simple, all really, really easy to put together. And my chicken goes in here. And just let the chicken kind of marinate in that yogurt and all those amazing flavors. And then we'll cook it in a hot skillet. My pan is smoking hot over here. Gonna add a little bit of oil. And then in goes my chicken that's been marinating. And it's gonna char and get absolutely delicious right away. While that's cooking, I'm gonna make the sauce, which is so good. I have in here tahini. Tahini is sesame paste. Think of peanut butter. This is sesame butter. And then I'm going to zest in some more lemon. And the first thing I want to do is really loosen up this tahini. So that lemon zest gives it even more lemony flavor. And then I'm going to squeeze this in. And I want to make sure I'm doing this through my hands. I don't want any seeds in my sauce. And then I'm going to use just a little whisk, and I want to try to loosen this up as much as I can, because this is my opportunity. If my tahini is at all clunky, this is my opportunity to break it up. A little bit of salt. Oh, that's nice. Okay, and then I'm going to add the yogurt to this. Now, if you want to sweeten this up with just a tiny bit of honey, you can, but I really like it just like this as a complement to the spicy chicken, which I'm going to give a little turn. Oh yeah, that's looking really good. I almost forgot the garlic in here. I do need a little bit of garlic, about 1 clove of garlic, because that's going to give it such amazing flavor. Now this is a little firm. As you can see, I'm going to add just a little bit of water to loosen it up. Ah, perfect. That's exactly what I needed. Okay. Now all I need to do is assemble these bowls. Mix. I want to Oh, that's really good. Delicious. So here's all there is to this. You see how quickly that is cooking. Really, really quick. So I start my bowl with greens. Whatever greens you want. This is a mix of Looks like baby kale, baby spinach. You can use spring mix, any lettuces that you want to use. I want to put this in rows to make it look really pretty. And this is a wild rice blend. Use whatever grain you want. You could use farro, you could use bulgur, white rice, anything like that is perfectly fine. I have some tomatoes. I got these at the farmer's market yesterday and they are so sweet and delicious. Oh my word. They're like candy. And then some chickpeas, garbanzo beans. It'll give it even more protein. Try to make a nice neat row. And then a row of cucumber that I've kind of cut into little matchsticks. All right, now I need to layer on my chicken. I don't know if you can see how charred that is and beautiful. That is just some amazing stuff there. And then this beautiful tahini yogurt lemon sauce. Give it a little sprinkle, drizzle it over or slather it, whatever. And then, if you can find sumac, sumac is delicious. It is kind of like a Middle Eastern berry that's dried. It's tart, a little vinegary, and it's beautifully red, and it gives it such amazing flavor. And there is your bowl. You've got all your veggies, you've got your chicken, you've got this amazing sauce, and it came together so quickly. And like I said, if you don't want to do the chicken, just use a really easy rotisserie chicken, but see how easy that was. And this is absolutely phenomenal. Give it a try. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching Taylor Kitchen. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to this YouTube channel so that you're getting the absolute latest. And also sign up via our website or via the link in the comments below so that you're getting the latest from us, because very soon we're going to be launching some live cook together events for free, and we want you to be aware so that you can participate. Also, if you have any comments, suggestions, recommendations, please leave a comment in the link below or on any of our social media website. I would love to hear from you. I would love to chat with you and love to respond. So look for Instagram, Pinterest, all the other social media channels via the link in the comments below, and leave comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much.